All right, I want to talk about how to calculate odds. So I have two examples to get us started. First, what are the odds of rolling a 3? Odds are just a different way to communicate the same information as probability. We're going to write it as a ratio though. So we're going to write the odds of something happening. So the odds of our rolling a 3 compared to it not happening. So very similar to probability, but we're going to be writing it as a ratio, two things compared, not as a fraction. And our numbers are not going to represent the total. Okay? So if we're rolling a 3 on a die, there's one of those. And if we're not rolling a 3, there are 5. So the odds are 1 to 5. If I were to add my two numbers together, they should add to give me the total sample space, or what would be the denominator on a regular probability problem. So the two together should be the total. We can also have what are called odds against something happening. What it does is it flips the scenario. So the odds against rolling a multiple of 3. So this one was just a 3. This time I want a multiple of 3. The multiples of 3 are 3 and 6 on a die. So there are 2 of those. So I want the ones of not rolling a multiple of 3 because I want the ones against. So I want the negative things first compared to rolling. So there are 2 ways to roll a multiple of 3. That means the other 4 numbers on the dice must not be a multiple of 3. So my odds are 4 to 2. Now let's look at one last type of problem. Let's say we're given a probability. So the probability of winning a game is 2/7. So we're given that statement. What are the odds of winning? So I want the odds of winning, so that's the chances of winning compared to not winning. Now I have all the information I need from the numbers that were given in the directions. So I was told the probability of winning a game is 2/7. That means 2 out of the 7 chances wins. So 2 of them are winning. The rest of the chances have to be not winning then. Well, if there were a total of 7, that means there are 5 that are not winning. I got that 5 by taking the total minus the number of times I was winning. The total was 7 because that's my sample space minus 2 gave me the 5 that I put down here. Again, 2 plus 5, if I add these together, I should get the entire denominator or sample space of my probability.